Davo World FX. Thanks for tuning in. So today I'm going to be analyzing 3 pairs very fast. I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to be very fast. I'm going to be analyzing Usdcad, gold, and Usdjpy for a quick one. So let's dive into the video. Before you go, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe and comment your views on the video. Alright, let's go. So I'm currently looking at USD Canadian dollars. As you can see, US Canadian dollar has been on a downtrend. As you can see, it's a downtrend. It's a downtrending market. So let's dive in. This is the daily time frame. So let's dive into the 4-hour time frame. So as you can see from the market here, so we have our first touch. So the market, what we had last week, the last time I actually did a video, we had this trend line. First of all, we had this trend line before. So market broke it and gave us this trend line here. Then market broke it again. Market broke this trend line and confirmed to us that it's no longer going bullish but bearish, and we have been expecting price to drop down from this level and retest back to this level, to this area of resistance. You can see this area is a very strong zone. This one I mark on green. This is and it's also a 61.8 retracement level. It's also a 61.8 retracement level, and this is a good place for the drop. So, and this is also a psychological level, which price is at 336,000. You can see this is psychological level 36,000. So market got to this point and start dropping, and it's also a 61.8 retracement level. So it shows that this is a good sign for the beginning of a bearish market, and the market actually held it, as you can see. So though it might not be exactly at the 61.8 retracement level price, but it's still the same area of interest. The area is kind of strong there. So this is the market can choose to drop anywhere it wants to. So that's it, guys. So based on the strategy that I use, so after I touch on a trend line, so we had to make the area as our second touch. So as the market got there, I use my Fibonacci tool to define the next area of interest, which is this area. So I pick up my Fibonacci tool, then I drag it down to the nearest low, as you can see. So we have, so this is our 61.8 Fibs level. As you can see, the price is actually sitting down on a nice support and resistance level, as you can see. So expecting the market to buy to this point before dropping. So no, this is not a signal. I'm just sharing our views here on the market. So doing the market review, you can see. So this is a very good point. This is a very good point area for reversals, as you can see, and you can also take it as a break and retest of structure. Break and retest of structure. You can see we also have a break and retest of this trend line. We have a break and retest of structure. Repeat it again. We have a break. Market broke this trend line. Broke the trend line. And going back to retest. Breakout retest. You can also call it a breakout retest before the market goes down. So this is it, guys. So we are expecting overall sales from this market board at this area of interest here for dropping, and also so you have two confluences. You have break of trend line, break and retest, and we also have a 61.8 retracement level sitting tightly at that area corner. As you can see, there's a touch here, touch, and also expecting a touch here before dropping. So when that happens, we're going to use that area of interest as a second touch. We're going to use it as a second touch. I'm going to be using it as a second touch. So we're going to be using it as a second touch. So when price gets there, we're going to use it as a second touch to the downside. So that's how we treat this. Is a trend strategy. Alright, that's all for USDcad. So expecting a bullish movement to this point to retrace this movement before we go in shorts on it. So that's it, guys. Let's move to the next pair. Alright, guys, this is gold. You can see, wow, this is a very crazy pair. This is a very crazy pair. So in the previous weeks, you check out my previous video, you can see that we were tailing gold from this point. Gold was at this area. We started gold from here on this channel. Started gold from here. Gold retested. All our analysis were playing out as analyzed. So market went up, market went bullish, we traded to this point, dropping goes. Market gave us a very good price action at that point. We have a very good price action at that point. We have the trend line touches working perfectly, playing out. So our view was we're expecting the market to get to this point, to get to this area, to this bearish trend line before dropping. This is what we were anticipating on gold before, because we had a bearish channel. You can see we have a very bearish channel here before expecting the price to come down. But also found out that gold was actually doing an head and shoulder. I also figured out a head and shoulder pattern here, and head and shoulder pattern for going up. So gold actually broke this resistance, and gold actually broke this resistance before going bullish. You can see the market is very, very bullish right now. I don't even know, like, we don't really know where the market is actually going to right now, but all I have to do is to wait for gold, because there's no entry point here. So what I'm going to do, based on the strategy, we take our trend line and look for the next possible retracement point before making any decision. So we have this one now. We have this trend line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this old trend line here. It doesn't really matter anymore. I'm going to take them out, and we tend to work with the current price action right now. So as you can see, this is gold. So it's what I'm expecting for gold. Maybe gold might want to start to maybe drop to this point before going up, or probably break it for coming down. Or since it's gold, he can do anything he wants to do. He can continue buying for eternity. So what we're going to do, just to wait and anticipate the market. We don't rush into the market. We wait for the market to do what he wants to do before we finally make decisions. So that's it for gold, guys. So don't have much to say about gold, because gold just made a higher all-time high. Gold is currently at the all-time high. This is the highest gold has ever been before, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go to you can see gold is at the higher high right now. There's no resistance points for gold right now. Gold is currently at the higher high of its peak, all-time high. So there's no resistance points for, like, there's nowhere gold is going to get before dropping. So all I have to do is to wait for a retracement before we can actually think of buying or selling. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys. So let's move to the next pair. Welcome, guys. This is Usdjpy. As you can see, Usdjpy is currently a downtrending market. Overall, this is the monthly time frame. So we can see the market is doing something what they call the U pattern. It wants to go down, like it's trying to change direction now to the buy side. As you can see, market is just coming down. Market was downtrend, then it became a ranging market, like no direction for the market, and I think currently now we're about to go back up now. This is what I see. You can correct me if I'm wrong on this comment section, but this is what I see on the overall market. I think the Usdjpy Japanese yen wants to start buying. It's on the bullish trend right now. So let's analyze the pair very, very fast. So just watch closely to see. Let's see what's going on now. So we spotted a support level here. See, this is the monthly time frame. Just got a support level, place of interest for me. You can see. So I'm going to mark out. Let's go. Use our trend line. Cut off for touches. You can see. So let me zoom in deep. Let me zoom in. Looking nice. Looking nice. So we have our our first touch, second touch, and third touch. This is the monthly touch, so I'm going to be using this. So we're going to be catering for more touches. So we have a very good level here, which I think market is going to come back to it later in the future. It's a very good level. So this is it, guys. So let's dive in deep. Let's go to the weekly time frame. So we're going to start from this weekly time frame very fast. Weekly time frame. So as you can see from the market here, we need to use our strategy to determine more touches. So take our trend tool from the, we're going to start from the second touch here. Pick our line tool. It's called trends in trends. In the future time, I'm going to be dropping my full course on how I analyze the market, my strategy, so you all can understand. So we have a second touch, another touch here. So we're going to be picking our trend tool again to see if we can get more touches, as you can see. So if you can get more touches. So as you can see, we are actually making the touches where it's working. So this is the touches here. So you can see. So this is it. We are actually getting more touches here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's go to the daily time frame. So the daily time frame. You can see anytime price gets to this trend line, it always bounces from there. That shows that the trend line is legit. It's kind of strong touch. Have a touch, touch here. So currently we are expecting price. You can see the market is currently going bearish now. So we're expecting price to get to this point before buying, or it can break here. Then once it breaks and test here, then we're going to begin expecting the bearish trend to this point before anything. So once it breaks it, expecting it from here again. So for now, we're expecting the market to sell to this point before looking for buys here. So we're going to be diving to the 4-hour time frame. The 4 time frame looks normal. Doesn't look there's no any trend line here. There's no any trending point here. Everything is just normal. There's no entry for me. Market is just dropping. So for Usdjpy, we're going to just all we are doing now is just to anticipate the price. Okay, if there's any point of reversal, we're going to be using our Fibonacci tool. You can pick our Fibonacci tool to see if market stops here and starts going up, start retracing here. We're going to be expecting like the only way you can take any trade here or any setup here is when the market gets to 68.1 retracement level. That's where we're able to look for sales to the downside. But for now, we're expecting the price to come to this trend line before we actually look for our buys. So that's it, guys. If we go to the 1-hour time frame, you can see there's nothing on the 1-hour time frame too. There's nothing. Just expecting price to get to this point before we look for make any decision. So that's it for Usdjpy. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Please, if you like the video, please share, like, and comment on the video. If there's anything you want me to improve on, say it in the comment section. And if there's any pair you want me to analyze in the future, in the next video, please drop it on the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.